everyone! Something I've learned from this course is that community colleges aren't so different from four-year institutions. In fact, it seems that they're very similar. After taking this course, I feel that I would really enjoy working for a community college because of the closeness students feel to the institution. Although many students have a negative connotation about community colleges, I believe community colleges have shaped the United States. They have also shaped the lives of many students and are quite beneficial to students who don't want to attend a four-year institution or who wish to earn their associate's degree or a certificate. They also benefit the economy and the workforce, especially in the state that I did my project on, which is Wyoming. I believe taking this course will definitely help me be a better administrator in the long run, and what I've learned from taking this course will benefit me. I've also enjoyed taking this course this summer and learning more about community colleges, which is something I didn't know much about.